it's me again, Teacher Lily at Happy Class Center. Today, let's learn about letter N, sound N, N. Nest, N, N, nest. A bird lives in a nest. Nose, N, N, nose. I have one nose. Nerd, N, N, nerd. I like nerd. Net, N, N, net. I use a net to catch fish. Now everyone, let's do a quiz. Everyone, let's look and show me which picture is net. N, N, net. It is? No. It is? Yes. Now let's say net. N, N, net. And what's this? Great. Nerd. N, N, nerd. And the next one. Let's show me which one is nose. N, N, nose. It is? Very good. Now let's say nose. N, N, nose. And what's this? Great. Nest. N, N, nest. Now let's review. Everyone listen and repeat. Net, N, N, net. That is a net. Nerd, N, N, nerd. That is a nerd. Nest, N, N, nest. That is a nest. Nose, N, N, nose. That is a nose. Thank you for listening.